Hello guys, welcome back to Kenton'S kitchen. This is your chef who believes that when you combine good flavors you come up with an extra. So today we're going to special episode. I'm cooking for my friends and this is one of them. So we're going to do chicken jollof rice. So stay tuned till the end. If you've not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell.
Share and comment.
Exactly, So tag along.
Kenton'S kitchen is the next big thing in town.
Exactly, For ingredients today we're going to use some red and yellow capsicum, diced onions, tomato paste, some ginger and garlic. I have 4 tomatoes. That's my chicken. I got that from Carrefour. Then I have my oil over there. I have my rice, this basmati rice. Then my spices. I'm going to use chicken powder, chicken masala, some paprika, Bayleafs, curry powder, and some cumin seeds. So stay tuned. I'm starting by defrosting my chicken because it was kind of refrigerated. As I defrost my chicken, I'm also going to soak my rice. Here's my rice. I'm just going to add some water and soak it till its time comes. This is our chicken. It's a full sufuria. So I'm just going to add some ingredients before I boil it. I'm going to add some onions. This is approximately 1 onion. Then my spices. I'm going to add some bay leaves. I'm going to add some salt. Then my other spices. I'm going to add curry powder. This is approximately around 4 tablespoons. Then some chicken masala. For the chicken masala you can replace with some chicken seasoning. And then I'm just going to boil this till the chicken is fully cooked. I'm going to add some water. You can just stir your chicken and then let them cook. I'm going to add more water because I need more stock to cook my jollof rice. And then cover. So I'm just going to add some cloves of ginger and garlic. And then boil them inside there. I'm going to mash my ginger and garlic, just preparing for the ingredients for the rice as I cook my chicken. So I'm just going to cut them into smaller pieces to give me smaller pieces to work with. Put these in. Then start to. I'm going to slice my tomatoes into small pieces that can be blended. Smaller pieces. We're going to blend our red capsicum together with our tomatoes. I'm just adding a little water to enhance the blending process. I'm going to put this in a pan. I'm kind of like going to fry to make sure that all the water evaporates. So let me blend the rest and then so I'm just going to cook this till all the water has evaporated. Make sure not to don't stir the puree. So our chicken is ready. I have a lot of stock. These I'm going to use to cook my jollof rice. So yeah, so I'm just going to sieve my chickens out of this soup and then so the next step is frying our chicken. You can just remove the bay leaves. Yeah, you don't need these anymore. Yeah, and then we go to the frying part. So I'm going to put enough oil in my pan to fry my chicken. Yeah, and I'm also going to wait for this oil to heat up. So after boiling this for a while, this is how it looks like. It's almost ready. Yeah, and I'm also frying my chicken. So finally, that is how our puree looks like. Yeah, finally our chicken is fry. It's ready. So now we're going to cook in our rice. Yeah, I'm just going to use the oil that I used to fry my chicken. Yeah, and then add my onions. My onions, once they turn translucent, I'm going to add my grated my ginger and garlic. The one I was. I'm going to saute these till they turn golden brown now. Yeah, my onions are almost golden brown, so I'm just going to add my tomato paste. Yeah, so I'm adding my tomato paste. This till all the tomato sauce is brown. Yeah, and as I said, I'm going to add my boiled puree. Yeah, this one. This is how it looks like. Yeah, I'm going to add it, and at this moment you can see this is reddish, so I'm going to saute this till it turns dark red. I'm going to add some paprika. These are about 2 tablespoons. You can't get it around with paprika, so yeah, you can add any amount. I'm also going to add some curry powder. I'm going to add some chicken seasoning. Continue sauteing. Yeah, you can see that my puree is changing its color too. Yeah, dark red. My soft rice is actually increased, so this is going to cook for a short while. So I'm just going to add it in my puree, and as you can see, my puree has turned to dark red. So I'm just going to add my rice. Yeah, I'm just going to start this. Yeah, that's the sound I wanna hear. Just going to add my chicken stock. You can actually sieve this to then mix this well. This is all that you need, and then you can add your salt at this point. Always measure your water while adding the first time. This was actually enough for me, but you can actually measure your water according to the amount of rice that you've put. Adding the rice and adding the water as you cook will sort of take adding water as you boil will take away the spices, so don't add water, just add it once. I'm going to cover this and make sure to cook this at the lowest heat. Don't cook it at high heat. And that is it till all the water is evaporated. Finally our jollof rice is almost cooked, so I'm just going to garnish it using my yellow capsicums, and also you can add some onions, but I'm not going to add. Then I'm going to stir this. You can hear the sound. That is actually what we do. Your rice at this moment might not have cooked so well, so you can always cover it with some foil, aluminium foil, and then let it cook for some few minutes. So finally our rice is now cooked.